Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a video on my crashed Easy Mini X drone. This crash happened while flying the drone at Kolli Hills. I will show you the condition of this drone now. You can see that a small piece of the camera side cover is missing. This is that piece which came out after the drone crash. Now check the front left leg of my drone. It is completely broken. Now I will show you the rest of the damages. The top cover just came out broken. This is how the drone's board and all look like. Now let's put the battery and check if the drone will still fly or not. Let's try to turn the drone on and check out. The drone has switched on and the initial things are all working fine, including the cameras. Now let's switch on the remote control and check will it connect with the drone. This is the blue indication light on the battery before pairing with the remote. Now you can see it has turned green, which means that the drone and the remote control are paired. Now let's connect the mobile phone with the remote control unit. You can see the drone's camera view is turned on. Now let's toggle the joysticks of the remote to see whether the drone will fly or not. You can see 3 of the drone motors are rotating and the broken leg is not rotating.
The aircraft will drift and may not be able to return. Please pay attention to flying, takeoff. GPS is not positioned. The aircraft will drift and may not be able to return. Please pay attention to flying. GPS is not positioned. The aircraft will drift and may not be able to return. Please pay attention to flying.
Now I will show you some last videos of my Easy Mini X drone before it got crashed.